Hey guys, what's up? What's going on? My name is Britt and this is the Banana Diaries. So we are on to day 3 of Cookie Week. If you're new here, hi, hello. We make a bunch of healthy vegan desserts here and we are in the midst of Cookie Week. And what that means is that each day for the next 5 days, I'll be releasing 5 new holiday cookie recipes. And today we are actually releasing one of my favorite cookie recipes from my new cookbook, Baked with Love. It is the double chocolate chip peppermint cookie. These guys are so freaking fudgy and delicious and just like melts in your mouth, so good. So if you like these recipes, then be sure to go check out the rest of the cookbook because they are packed with wonderfully easy and vegan desserts, from cakes to cookies to pies to cupcakes to everything. Got some brownies in there as well. They're really good. Without further ado, let's begin. So as I mentioned before, this is a recipe straight out of Baked with Love, so I'm actually going to be using the cookbook to bake these cookies. But essentially we're going to start off with half a cup of softened vegan butter. So here I'm using Miyoko's. You can also use coconut oil. And then we're going to add in a third a cup of unsweetened applesauce. So I prefer unsweetened here because these cookies are definitely on the sweeter side. And then we're going to add in a cup of coconut sugar. And then just gently cream all this together with your hand mixer. You can also use a stand mixer if that's what you have on hand. Next up, we're going to add in some flour here. So you can also use gluten-free 1-to-1 baking flour. That is the beauty about this book, is that it is actually allergen-friendly. And then we're going to add in a cup of cacao powder. And then just fold everything together until it's a nice and consistent dough. And if you're having a little bit of trouble mixing, you can always add in a tablespoon or 2 of extra dairy-free milk just to get everything going. Once it reaches this consistency, we are going to add in our chocolate chips and peppermint. So here you can use either chocolate chunks or chocolate chips. I'm going to add in a half a cup here along with some crushed vegan peppermint candies. And once again, just fold everything together until the peppermint candies and the chocolate chips are evenly distributed throughout. And then we will prepare our baking sheet with some parchment paper, get our cookie scoop, and start to scoop these cookies into little dough balls to be baked. So to make sure that these cookies come out like the most perfectly round cookies you've ever seen, I actually like to roll the dough ball in between my palms so that it comes out nice and smooth. And the beauty about these cookies is that we actually don't need to chill the dough. You can just pop this right into the oven and the cookies will nicely spread. And this is because we're using parchment paper here, which actually kind of makes cookies not spread as much, and we'll also be using a darker baking sheet underneath. But yep, we're just going to bake these, and once they are baked, then we get to dip them in melted chocolate and crushed peppermint candies. So this part is actually not in the book, but I decided to add it to this recipe because I thought it looked really fun and festive. So we're just dipping the cookies into melted chocolate, only halfway, and then sprinkling it with some extra crushed peppermint candies. And there you have it! Super simple, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegan chocolate peppermint candy cookies that taste absolutely amazing. They're so fudgy and rich, no one will know that they're vegan, and they are perfect for the holidays, both kids and adults. Full recipes on the blog and in the cookbook. Alright guys, I hope that you enjoyed that recipe. If you did, give it a big thumbs up and make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell notification to be notified when more recipe videos like this pop up, which is going to be tomorrow with the 4th cookie recipe. Also be sure to go check out the description box with not only the link to how to make these cookies, but also all the previous days of Cookie Week. And also don't forget to share on Instagram, tag me at @the_Banana Diaries. I absolutely love seeing your wonderful treats. And with that, I guess we're rolling out. I'll see you tomorrow for the next cookie recipe. Remember that you're an incredible human being. You deserve to be here, and I'm always rooting for you. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!